In this hotel, 8 type of room is available on agoda.com. You can book online and enjoy it. To see more than 100 of reviews of this hotel, you can go to agoda.com. Its review rating is 8.0. Check-in time in this hotel is 2 p.m. Check-out time of this hotel is 12 p.m. You can book this hotel to share your experience in the comment box. For booking or get more details about this hotel, please check description. If you have any problem booking a room at this hotel, then you can drop a comment and we will help you. If you are new to the channel or not subscribed yet, then must subscribe to our channel right now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming hotel.